Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. Today we're taking a look at one of the top stock picks from analyst Randy Giveans. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Last week we had the privilege of hosting some of the TipRanks top analysts from 2021, and during that call we had the chance to ask these analysts what some of their top picks for this coming year was. One of those analysts was 5-star analyst Randy Giveans from Jefferies. He named one of his top picks as Zim Integrated Shipping Services. That stock trades under the ticker Zim, or ZIM, and is currently priced at about $54.30 per share. So in today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Zim stock, including what Randy had to say, how the other analysts weigh in, and some highlights of what the company actually does. So let's jump right into this.
So we're happy to have you here. And now that you're here, I'll put you right into the hot spot. Very similar question to Portia there. As we go into the next year, is there a stock or two that you're feeling exceptionally bullish on, or what are your top picks for the coming year?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks again for having me. Really excited to be here. Shipping had a great year in 2021. We focus on the energy maritime sector. So any commodity that floats, be it LNG, LPG, crude oil, products tankers, dry bulk vessels, or container ships. So looking into 2022, our top, probably let's call it 3 picks, just to give a little diversification. Number 1 is Zim Holdings. That's ticker ZIM. It was certainly the best performer last year. Clearly, container rates are surging. Port congestion remains high. Consumer spending is elevated. Zim, for example, market cap of about $7.5 billion. EBITDA in 21 is about 6.5. 22 is going to be close to it, somewhere between $6 and $6.5 billion, right? So they're basically earning their market cap in a year in terms of EBITDA. So their enterprise valuation is even less than their market cap because they have negative net debt. They have more cash on the balance sheet than debt or long-term lease liabilities. So pretty remarkable story there. We're very bullish on Zim. You're going to get a 10 to 15, that's right, $10 to $15 dividend in March. Current share price is like $62. And then thereafter, they're paying out 20% of net income. So we expect another $4 to $8 in dividends throughout 2022. So somewhere between $16 to $20 in dividends alone. Plus, the company is now kind of guiding towards share repurchases with all of the cash on the balance sheet. And the market continues to remain very robust. So top pick is Zim.
So awesome insight from Randy there, and obviously they're feeling quite bullish on the stock, so no surprise that Randy and Jefferies give the Zim stock a buy rating. Now there are just 2 other analysts that have a rating on the Zim stock, and their opinions do seem to differ a bit. Overall, the stock comes in as a hold with 1 buy, 1 hold, and 1 sell. The average price target comes in at $61 per share, which would be an upside of 12%. The most recent rating came in yesterday with a sell from JP Morgan, who did actually increase their price target but maintained a sell position with a downside of over 20%. We have a hold rating at $60, which would still be an upside of 10.5%, and of course Randy's rating at $80. That is a 47% upside potential. And by going over right to Randy's analyst profile, we can see the history of all of his ratings on the Zim stock and how successful they've been. Under Randy's list of stock coverage, we have our Zim stock here. We can see he's had a total of 7 ratings on the stock. And by expanding this, we can see 6 out of 7 ratings were profitable for an average profit on the stock of 37%. Of course, stocks are quite volatile so far in 2022, but it'll be exciting to see how the stock performs in this upcoming year. Now, let's take a look at what Zim Integrated Shipping Services actually does. Launched in Israel back in 1945, Zim became a pioneer in container shipping in the early 1970s and has established itself as a leading global asset-light container liner shipping company. They provide customers with innovative seaborne transportation and logistics services covering the world's major trade routes and focusing on select markets where they have a competitive advantage and are able to maximize their market position. Their unique strategy as a digital-oriented, asset-light global niche carrier offers distinct advantages, allowing the company to provide innovative and premium customer-centric services while maximizing profitability. This includes their digital platform, MyZim, which allows a personalized dashboard for notifications, easy tracking, and a wide range of documents all at the user's fingertips, as well as eZim, which allows for fast and easy online booking and shipping instructions, and Zim Monitor, which is an advanced solution for high-value cargo featuring top-of-the-line technology to track, monitor, and remote control containers. They also have a mobile app. Zim also has a focus on the ESG side of things as the world shifts towards green energy. They aspire to be the lowest carbon intensity operator among the global players, investing in green LNG dual-fuel vessels. By 2024, they expect over 40% of their operated fleet to be LNG fueled. The company has a solid history of consistent earnings growth and continued deleveraging. And they've also introduced a new policy regarding their dividends. Interim quarterly dividends will be about 20% of the quarter's net income. The fourth quarter dividend will be at a rate that the cumulative annual amount will total 30 to 50% of their annual net income. The last dividend declared for their Q3 was $2.50 per share. So that is a quick overview of Zim Integrated Shipping Services, a top pick from Randy Giveans at Jefferies for 2022. Now you guys know I always love hearing from you, so let us know your thoughts on this stock or other shipping stocks that you have your eye on in the comments down below. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.